AI is transforming how we live, learn, and work. To prepare students for the jobs of tomorrow, Google and the University of Waterloo are establishing a partnership that reimagines the learning experience.
The most important thing you learn in university is not the material, but how to learn.
I think AI is impacting every aspect of the academic life.
With AI, it's like I have research assistants working for me.
And AI literacy is very important, so we certainly need to encourage the students to use AI in as many courses as we can.
Societal futures, technological futures, sustainability futures is where we're going to be the most impactful. Waterloo, as an innovative school, is well positioned, and so we love working with our external partners to kind of push those boundaries.
There is this reputation that our students have as problem solvers.
Together, Google and the University of Waterloo are combining global scale and local innovation to shape the future of work. The Future of Work Institute will help the next generation build the skills, adaptability, and vision needed for a world powered by human-AI collaboration.
I want whatever technology that we bring in to enable people to be the best steward of society and the earth.